Hey, so we're going to talk about getting Zoom on your computer. This is the easiest way to do effective desktop capturing when trying to work with one-on-one student interactions, private lessons, and if you upgrade to the Pro version, they let you do large-scale conferencing with little breakout rooms in it, and it's super useful. But what I'd like to show you today is the most basic idea of this, where you can just broadcast your screen to one other person and share your computer audio and hear your microphone and see your webcam with no troubles at all. So I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to do a quick search for Zoom conferencing software, and I'm going to download this software, Zoom Client for Meetings. And once it's downloaded and installed, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account, and you'll be brought to this screen. We can either create a new meeting for someone to join, or we can join a pre-existing meeting. Now, Zoom automatically detected the webcam that I have plugged into the computer, and it's asking to join with the computer audio. So I'm using my audio and my webcam. And if it doesn't work out right away, don't freak, because you can change it really easily in this lower corner of the screen. I can view my microphones. In my case, the Focusrite is connecting this microphone to the computer, and my headphones are also plugged in to this audio interface. If you don't have a microphone or you don't have a webcam, you're using your internal camera, you'd want to select Same as System, Same as System. And before we go into sharing our screen, we should note our ID, our password, and that should be all people need to join. We can invite down here. Now, before people join our meeting, we can set up our screen. So I'm going to go to Share My Screen, and I have the option of whatever screens I have open. I can choose Screen, which is my entire window capture. I have the option to share my computer's sound. It's very helpful if we want to show anything from YouTube or from Facebook or from anywhere you'd like to share computer audio, from desktop audio, and we're going to click Share, and we're brought to this. The people in the meeting cannot see this Zoom window. Our information has moved up to the top. Right. We have an option to draw on our screen, very handy. We can write on our screen. And for most people teaching privately from home or teaching remote production classes online or trying to demonstrate anything via computer, this should be more than enough for most of you, that the microphone adds clarity and a better webcam will give you a better shot, but don't need much. All right, so a friend of mine joined the conversation, and you can see that he shows up right here. If we screen share, he minimizes. I can see us both. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, again, well, thank you. This is the easiest option for doing something on PC. I'm going to have one really short video for Mac as well. Thank you. See you next time.